Okay, so just doing the rounds of the internet and came across a couple of project cars. Both of these are BMW 2002s. One is a 1976, and the seller is asking for $2,000, and the other one is a 1974, priced at $2,500. Just looking at the pictures that are available online, the 76 seems to have a straighter body compared to the 74, which looks like some of the panels might need to be worked on, especially that rear panel. Neither of the cars have pictures showing the shock mounts in the trunk or underneath the gas tank. This is the two areas which typically have the most amount of rust. And there aren't any pictures of the underside of the car showing the frame rails, which is another area where they rust. Also under the doors and in the fenders as well. But at these prices, I think they're definitely worth a look, especially if you're able to do body work yourself. Both the interiors are totally toast, so you're going to need new panels. My guess is, even though there's no pictures of it, probably need a new headliner, and the seats definitely uh, need to get recovered. And one of them looks like it's missing all of its foam, so you're gonna have to get new foam or some padding for it. The 1976 is the last year of the 2002, and it's supposed to have a different and arguably better cylinder head, the E21. Uh, the 76 also looks like it might have a Weber carburetor. Can't really tell, but looks like a Weber style carburetor. And the 74 looks like it's missing the entire intake system. There's not even a carburetor or air cleaner or anything on there. So, either way, I think whichever car you get or think about getting, both of the engines will probably need to get refreshed. And I'd say, if you're going to rebuild that motor, I'd put on a couple of Weber carburetors and give it a little extra bit of farkle. Uh, these aren't as desirable as the earlier roundies or round-eye 2002s, which have the circular taillights, and they're also not TIIs, which had the mechanical fuel injection. But even these sort of quote-unquote standard 2002s seem to be selling for between 20,000 and 25,000 in good condition. So it's probably not going to be super valuable when it's restored, but these are fairly easy cars to work on. There's a lot of aftermarket support, plenty of go faster goodies, and it's very easy to customize these, or restore them and make or even make a resto mod. Value wise, I think both of these seem like good projects and have good bases to build from, as long as the body and frame are solid. These seem like they'd be fun projects to work on, and maybe get it to the point where they're running project cars, and then you can just take your time to determine what future upgrades you want to spend your money and time on. Uh, I think these are very usable classic cars. They seat four adults fairly comfortably for short rides. You can put an aftermarket AC system that you can add pretty easily, which makes it a great all-season car that you can use every day. I think the interest in these 2002s are starting to build. I think if you put some money in it, you'll probably be able to recoup most, if not everything that you've invested in it. And I've been hearing some talk that uh, we may be headed towards a ban on internal combustion engines, so no more gasoline engines. And if that were to happen, I still think that the O2 is a good candidate for maybe an EV crate motor. And there are several companies out there that are converting 2002s into EV vehicles. So I think, in a few more years, there's going to be plenty of do-it-yourself EV conversion kits available. And then, you can work on the body and the interior, and then convert it into an EV car, and you can continue to enjoy these for many more years to come. Anyway, I'll put the links to the ads in the bottom in the description. And thanks again for watching. Take care.